didn't realize it came with a bag. Oh. Gee, that's really nice. So this is a charger, and there's a battery. So it's a 4 amp hour. Oh, there's the flashlight, which, you know, I used to have the DeWalt flashlight, and it was a like a little fluorescent tube one, and it was such a pain. It was really long. So I'm looking forward to this one where you can just aim it, maybe hang it from something, and let it be stable on the ground and point up at what you're doing, kind of like a little assistant. I think that'll be nice. It's a nice bag. So it looks like everything will fit in there nicely. I'm definitely going to need the light right now. So that combo kit I got from Kobalt came with the LED light and the 1/4 inch impact wrench. I'm going to give this a shot. I'm just going to swap this over. You can put this switch in neutral so it doesn't accidentally activate it. Let's see how this works here. Yeah, it's nice. So you can put it down, have it aim where you want. I think that's going to be a lot nicer than, I used to have a DeWalt light that was like a fluorescent tube kind of thing, and really long, and it was always awkward. I could never really find a place to keep that. It didn't have any flat edge on the bottom, so you couldn't lay it to look up. This is going to be nice. And then it's got a little ring so you can hang it. So we'll see how this works out. Oh yeah, that does illuminate nicely. Yeah, this is going to be good. Really nice. This light has been amazing. It's down to 1 bar finally, but I've been using this for probably, 3 weeks now on one charge, and it's been really good.